Okay, my iPad is making this weird noise, which is scary. So I've actually just, let's plug in. You can hear that beeping noise, and this is not the first time it's been doing that. As you can see, it's plugged into the one there. That's the cable, and it keeps making this sound, which is scary. You know, I don't know. It's like an alarm sound. So it's still charging. So it still says it's charging, but it makes that noise. If I take this out now, if I take that out, it will stop. So it wasn't 82%, so it wasn't like it's not charging. I could have said maybe there's something wrong, it wasn't charging properly, or it's not well connected. Maybe that's why, maybe it's not well connected. Okay, back in and there's no noise. Feels scary because I'm thinking if that goes on and nobody attends to it, what happens? Does it explode or something, or what happens? If you have any comments or answer or anything, please let me know. Alright, thank you guys.